welcome back to the channel. So happy to be with you guys. And this video is actually a maintenance video. Maybe I will not finish today and tomorrow I will film again, but I don't know. I'm trying my best. I appreciate those that subscribe to the channel. I really love you. I don't know how to do it. Love. Oh my god, I'm so really love it, guys. I'll be doing my hair. I have those ultra hair that I pick up and wrap them into those barbecue sticks, kebab sticks or barbecue sticks. I have unraveled those ones. They just remain this day. Like I just wanted to share. I just wanted to show you guys. That's why I just let this today. I have been following this lady. She's really talented. So I watched her video and I fall in love straight up with the hairstyle. I've already sectioned my hair. This one here will remain. So let me just do a curl here first. When you want to do your hairstyle, like any hairstyle, and especially for those of us that has fussy, thick hair, when you prep it, you water on it and you twist it like the way I did it before, as you guys can see, it's so soft, like the comb will just run inside, just simple. Let me just take my black tail comb and see, the comb is just running inside, so simple, like it's so soft. Done with the comb, looking so crooked, crooked. So this one, I'm just going to twist it and put it inside and turn it like this, and it's secure. Yeah. Seriously, guys. Seriously, guys. Man, I'm just getting fat. See my cheek. I have this giant pimples here. It's the time of the month. Oh, my hair is oh my god. So I'm going to do the same thing that I do here. I'll be right back, okay? Hi. Oh my god. Oh my my god, guys. So I told you guys this is my first time. I wanted to try it so my hand is free. So when I will be showing you guys, it will be like a pro, like you get it. I did not share butter, but I need to whip it very well. I don't have something to apply on this here, and when I apply the shea butter, it's so soft, guys. You see the way it's easy when I apply the shea butter on the hair. I'm going to divide this one into two, like this. Just finished praying on Alpha Hour. Oh god. It's after 1, almost 20 after 1. So this is how the hair is looking like. I can't wait to done with this hair and trim it to the way I actually want it. I don't know if this is my glasses. I need to wipe it. What is going on? I thought it was my camera, but now I'm even seeing the reflection of my white. What is this? I need to do my eyelash and my nails. I told you guys this video is a maintenance video. Okay, okay. Talk to you guys tomorrow. I did not wake up early. Yesterday night I slept around, what time did I even sleep? I slept around 3 o'clock and I was tired. So I just put those bands in front of my hair. So it still remains inside, but there is no light. I guess I'll finish it off camera because, like, guys, if I show you my place right now, it's in a mess. I need to sweep. Maybe later in the day, finger crossed, they will come with light. I wake up this morning and my face is looking all puffy like this. That's why when I put on weight, like I need to cut down a bit of this body. Seriously, when I put on weight, my face, when I wake up in the morning, oh my god, it's not nice. I don't really like it, and I don't want to do any botox. Like, no. So, um, yeah. So everything is here. As I left here yesterday, this is the floor, guys. The floor. Let me show you. This is how the floor is looking. So you see, my bed is unkept. I like to deal with hair in my room. I wanted to finish, then after that, just clean up and do my bed. This like this, I'm not going to go outside. I don't have anything to do outside. I have food for my cat. I have food. I even need to prepare stew, and I have this leaf. We call it crane. Ghana, they call it. They have the name, but normally if I want to go and buy, I will say I want green. But I'm in bed green. When the light is back, do my nails and my eyelash. So after finishing the hair, I need to clean this place. I need to go and take my shower. Then later I will just cook. Yeah, but I'm not be able to show you guys. Miana, what are you doing there? Miana, what are you doing? You just like to climb window, like you just climb in and be watching those birds, those goats, those other cats. Normally cat their TV's window. Yeah, so I am done. I'm so happy. They are so nice. Use milk natural eyelashes. And so you guys okay? This is okay. This is my mirror. I'm just going to put it down like this and wash. All of them have the glue already. It's nice when you're applying your lash, then you allow it to dry a little bit. I'm just going to open the lash like this. Put it where I want it to be. Guys, guess what? Oh my god, this errand is very urgent. My lash, the long one is finished. So I said let me go around and watch if I can get some lash because I've run out. This is the first one that I've done. I don't know. It's not like it's so natural, guys. This lash you can't even notice unless you come close. The long one is the side and the shorter one I put them here. So it's so natural and I don't know if you guys can see it very well though. Like I got the lash at my salon. I really need some of the stuff. Let me just leave it there. One pad. So I decided to just grab them. This one, I have a frontal that I have not been using, so I really wanted this. I wanted to get the small one. I'm so stingy sometimes. That's when I said I really want to start spending on something that I know can last me. The small one is 55 and this one is 85 lash. It's very fun. And I don't have powder brush. The powder brush I've been using is to actually blush. Also lash, I grabbed this wax stick for my wig, light brown pencil. Edge contour, my edge contour finished. So the one I was using yesterday, you can even see it's even like thick and white, so it was leaving some white like dandruff on my hair. That's why I've not done my edges well again. I have this accessory. I said hairstyle is really nice. Seriously, this one I can even use this one for 2 weeks. And guys, the hair is really soft. I didn't try it, but this one is taller than this. Yeah, but oh my god, for the first time I just tried, guys. So just left with the nails. Oh my god, guys, it feels so good. Wait, so is it coming out? Can you see? Oh my god. Like, seriously. When I do my nails like this, you guys will suffer because when I'm talking, and I love the fact that I accessorize my hands right now. Like, you guys, now I just want to do something that makes me happy, literally. We are learning from each other, and I guess that this one is so simple. I don't need lamp like the dryer to dry on nails. I just use a normal top coat and it's easy to dry just now. Just try it already.